Bhagyashree to this first ever Sugar and Ethanol International Awards 2024. Come on, Delhi walo, thoda आवाज हो जाए. Thank you for that music. All right, so may I request Mr. Uppal Shah and Mr. Hemant Shah, our co-founders of Chini Mandi, to please come up and welcome Bhagyashree to today's event. May I request you, ma'am, to please come up on stage and join us. And I think jitne log hai taaliyan nahi baj rahe. Come on, everybody. I'm sure every person in this room has seen the movie. We have loved their acting. Welcome to the Sugar and Ethanol International Awards 2024, the first ever. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for joining us today. Request you to please be seated. All right, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. And of course, it's an awards night, तो entertainment तो थोड़ा होगा ही. So everybody, once again, welcome to the first ever Sugar and Ethanol International Awards 2024. I'm your host for tonight, Chaitanya Rathi. We have a full house. जिन्हें जगह नहीं मिल रही है, थोड़ा इस तरफ कुर्सियां खाली है, towards the back, so please be seated.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
गणपति बाप्पा। क्या बात है, वंस अगेन थोड़ा एनर्जी और चाहिए इस रूम में। गणपति बाप्पा। लवली। तो चलिए, जैसे मैंने कहा, इट्स नाउ टाइम टू स्टार्ट विद द अवार्ड्स एंड मैं भाग्यश्री जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा टू प्लीज कम अप ऑन स्टेज एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द अवार्ड्स। तो प्लीज वेलकम ऑन स्टेज। चेक। पर हमने सोचा स्टेज पे अवार्ड देने के पहले क्यों ना थोड़ी बातें हो जाए आपसे। द अदर माइक प्लीज ऑन कर दो। चेक। So firstly, welcome to the first ever Sugar and Ethanol International Awards. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए everybody, come on. तो how does it feel? Any connection with Delhi? आप दिल्ली में हैं, हम तो any connection?
सबसे पहले मैं कहना चाहूँगी गुड इवनिंग एंड थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल, क्योंकि शुगर और एथेनॉल का हमारे देश के लिए और हमारे देश के विकास के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हाथ रहा है. सो थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल. Ethanol as a biograde fuel was started in 2003. 20 साल हो गए अभी. We are on 2024 and we are only getting bigger and better. And I'm so proud of every one of you all over here for making this possible. It's a great contribution to our country, our earth, and for the future of our children, because we all need biodegradable fuel. And thank you to all the guys over here and all the bigwigs of the ethanol industry for making this possible. Round of applause for all of you. Well, शायद आपको एक शॉक लगा होगा कि how does Bhagyashree know so much about ethanol, right? है ना?
बिल्कुल, मुझे तो लगा हम जस्ट आके आप अवार्ड्स देंगे और चले जाएंगे ऐसे.
अब देखिए, एथेनॉल के बारे में मैंने तो बहुत कुछ कह दिया. अब शुगर के बारे में, well, we all have to watch our waste. So we can't have too much of sugar. लेकिन मैंने एक छोटा सा स्पीच लिखा है शुगर वालों के लिए. Bear with me. सुबह है मीठी शाम से, हुई ना तो से बात भी, बिना मैं तेरे बेमज़ा हुआ है देखो आज भी. करूँ मैं ये गुज़ारिशें, मोहब्बतों का मोल दे, नींदों में मेरे ख्वाब का जरा सा मीठा घोल दे. तू बन जा तू मेरी, तू बन जा तू मेरी इश्क दी चासनी. ओ मीठी मीठी, ओ मीठी मीठी चासनी. वेल, शुगर हो या गुड़ हो या चासनी, हमारे देश में मिठाई के प्रति कुछ ज़्यादा ही दिल है. अब देखिए ना, हमारे हीरो जी भी चाशनी मांगते हैं. सो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इज ऑल्सो वेरी क्लोजली कनेक्टेड विद द शुगर इंडस्ट्री. एंड थैंक यू दिल से आप लोगों के लिए, विच मेक्स ऑल दिस पॉसिबल. एंड नाउ वी कैन गिव द अवार्ड्स टू हुएवर डिजर्व्स इट.
नहीं, अभी और एक दो बातें करनी है, अभी और एक दो बातें करेंगे, इतनी जल्दी तो थोड़ी. तो बेसिकली पता है आपको क्यों बुलाया आज? Because we think you are one of the sweetest actors Bollywood has ever produced, and
Thank
because
you.
it is sugar and sugar is so sweet, इसलिए I think we've invited you for this. तो 35 साल हो गए, 35 साल पहले यू वन द अवार्ड, द बेस्ट डेब्यूटेंट अवार्ड एट द 35th फिल्म फेयर, उसको भी 35 साल हो गए. तो वाओ, एंड देन 34 years later you worked with Salman Khan again in किसी का भाई किसी की जान. How has he changed, या what was the difference? आपको क्या लगा जब तब आपने उनके साथ शूट किया था और अब कुछ चेंज हुआ उनमें?
तब भी मीठे थे, आज भी मीठे हैं.
बिल्कुल. तो any fun memories that you'd like to share? एक कुछ fun incident that you can share with us. अच्छा, firstly आपको मीठा पसंद है?
मीठा किसको नहीं पसंद, लेकिन like I said, we have to watch our waist.
Yeah, because your Insta bio also says fitness addict.
बिल्कुल.
तो हम आए हैं शुगर कॉन्फ्रेंस में, लेकिन क्या आप शुगर खाते हैं?
मेरे ख्याल से इन मॉडरेशन सब चीज़ अच्छी होती है, क्योंकि हमारा जो देश है एक्चुअली चलता है प्यार के बदौलत. और जब प्यार होता है, दोस्तों से मिलना, फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करना, बिना मिठाई और बिना शुगर कैसे काम चलेगा, आप ही बताइए, है ना? मतलब माँ का प्यार, पिता का आशीर्वाद, दोस्तों का दुलार, दोस्तों के साथ मस्ती, दोस्तों के साथ हंसी खुशी, ये सब चीज मीठे से ही शुरुआत होती है.
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली. तो एक लास्ट रिक्वेस्ट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, वो डायलॉग एक बार बोल के दिखा दीजिए, जिस वजह से मतलब मैंने तो इतना यूज किया है वो डायलॉग, मतलब मैं जाके दोस्तों को पंच करता था और फिर बोलता था दोस्ती में नो थैंक यू नो सॉरी.
Well, अभी मूड नहीं है.
One request, that is what we've got. जब मैंने पहले पूछा कि what would you like to ask और question, सबका यही था, एक बार वो डायलॉग हो जाए आपसे, दोस्ती वाला.
Well, दोस्ती का एक उसूल होता है, नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू. लेकिन पहले मूड नहीं था, अब मूड बन जाने के लिए आपको कुछ कहना पड़ेगा मुझे, तो कहिएगा. ओ थैंक यू, कौन है ये? थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू. प्लीज आइए, प्लीज आइए. आज तो बनता है कि स्टेज पे मैं आपसे कहूँ.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. आज सोचा नहीं था आने के पहले ये भी चांस मिलेगा आज.
थैंक यू दिल से. आई लव यू कहने के लिए इतनी बड़ी ऑडियंस के सामने बहुत हिम्मत की दाद देना चाहूंगी. आपको पता है हिमालय जी भी है यहाँ पर दिल्ली में, तो भी आपने कह दिया.
मैं एक्चुअली 95 में आपको मिलने के लिए आया था सांगली.
अच्छा.
और आज उसके बाद यहीं पे बिजनेस कर लिया और आज शायद आप मुझे अवार्ड देंगे.
क्या बात है, शायद नहीं, जरूर मिलेगा इनको अवार्ड, है ना? कॉन्ग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. थँक यू सो मच.
कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. आणि कारण महाराष्ट्राहून खूप लोक आलेत, अशी पण एक रिक्वेस्ट होती की तोच डायलॉग आपण मराठीमध्ये एकदा बोलूया का?
नो सॉरी नो थँक यू मराठीमध्ये.
मराठीमध्ये
झालं ना, म्हटलं ना. डायलॉग तो जिस हिसाब से बोला जाता है उसी हिसाब से बोला जाता है ना. तर
Okay.
त्याच्यामध्ये मराठीमध्ये नो सॉरी नो थँक यू कसं म्हणायचं?
ना क्षमा ना आभार. नाही, मजा नाही येणार, मजा नाही येणार. नो प्रॉब्लेम. चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं. लेट्स हैव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हर. सच अ स्पोर्ट एवरीबॉडी. आई विल टेक द माइक एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द अवार्ड्स. एंड जैसे जैसे मैं आपका नाम लूं तो प्लीज कम अप ऑन स्टेज. सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं द लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड. The Lifetime Achievement Award in the sugar and oil sector. Lifetime Achievement Award is somebody who's given his life to this industry, has helped the industry grow from where to newer heights every single time. Ladies and gentlemen, please give the loudest round of applause for our Lifetime Achievement Award winner, Mr. Atul Chaturvedi. Mr. Atul Chaturvedi, a titan in Indian vegetable oil and agro business, boasts of 4 decades of diverse leadership, notably shaping Adani's agro sector since 1998. currently as the Executive Chairman of Sri Renuka Sugar and Director at Adani AgriFresh. He leads market-leading companies renowned globally for his expertise in agro products and recognized with awards like Globoil Legend 2022. Congratulations, Mr. Chaturvedi. Congratulations. Our next award is for the best contribution to the country's cooperative sugar sector, and that goes to the National Federation of Cooperative Sugar Factories Limited. May I invite Mr. Prakash Naik Navre, Managing Director, to please come up and accept the award. Congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Naik Navre. Yeah, music thoda down, please, when I'm talking. The next award is for Best Talent and Knowledge for Sugar and Ethanol Industry, and that goes to Mr. Dilip Patil, Managing Director, Samarth SSK Limited. With a 37-year career in the sugar and ethanol industry, Mr. Dilip Patil is a dedicated advocate for innovation and sustainability. As an M-Panel Managing Director, he has excelled in diverse roles, showcasing expertise in administration, finance, audit, taxation, and more. Mr. Dilip Patil.
I just got shocked. I met Suman and Bhagyashree at the same time. इनका नाम भाग्यश्री है और इनके माँ का नाम सुमन है. So can you believe it? I have to say this. So congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much.
क्या बात है. All right, the next award is for the best CEO of the year in the sugar industry, and that goes to Mr. Roshan Lal Thamak. Everybody, zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Mr. Roshan Lal Thamak, as Executive Director and CEO at DCM Shriram Limited, leads sugar and ethanol businesses with over 30 years of expertise in the Indian sugar sector. Holding pivotal roles in industry forums, he is recognized globally, honored with awards like the STY Lifetime Achievement and Startup Lane's Top 200 CEOs. Congratulations, Mr. Roshan Lal Thamak. The next award is for Best Management Award for Managing Director of a cooperative sugar sector, and that goes to Mr. Swaroop Dilip Deshmukh, Executive Director. He holds a BSc in Agriculture from the College of Agriculture, Baramati, and an MBA in Finance and Marketing from the Indira Institute of Management in Pune. With 16 years of experience in the sugar industry, he's held key roles, currently serving as Executive Director at Sri Shankar Sahkari Sakar Karkhana Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Deshmukh. The next award is for the most promising consultant in biofuel industry, and that goes to Mr. Vijay Girase. Mr. Vijay Girase, proprietor of Messrs. Al Sucrose Corporation. For over 14 years, boasts a rich background with companies like Jubilant, Organosis, Reliance Industries, and Sri Renuka Sugars Limited. He founded his company in 2013, specializing in associated in ethanol business advisory and physical ethanol experts. Congratulations, Mr. Girase. The next award is for the most compact sugar plant in the private sector, and that goes to Venkatesh Krupa Sugar Mills Limited. May I invite Mr. Sandeep Taur, Chairman, along with his team to come and accept the award. Venkatesh Krupa Sugar Mills Limited, a leader in the industry with a 5,000 TCD capacity, showcasing cutting-edge technology for efficient sugar production. Renowned for its innovative design and steam-saving techniques, it prioritizes quality and sustainability. With forthcoming distillery plans, it embraces automation and environmental friendliness, epitomizing industry leadership and innovation. Let's have a round of applause, everybody. मुझे लग रहा है तालियां बिल्कुल नहीं बज रही है. Everybody right at the back, come on. We are one big family here, so let's encourage our family members. The next award is for the highest selling packaged sugar brand in northern India, and that goes to Uttam Sugar Mills Limited. May I invite Mr. Rajkumar Adlakha to please come up and accept the award. There he is. Uttam Sugar Mills Limited specializes in premium quality refined sugar, ethanol and co-generation of power. Established in 1993 by Mr. Rajkumar Adlakha and company and family, USML operates 4 sugar factories with a combined crushing capacity of 26,200 TCD in western UP alone. Congratulations to Uttam Sugar Mills Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Rajkumar Adlakha. The next award is for Best Environment Friendly Sugar Mill from the private sector, and that goes to the Udagiri Sugar and Power Limited. May I invite the chairman, Mr. Rahul Kadam, to please come up and accept the award. Udagiri Sugar and Power Limited, founded by Honorable Dr. Shivaji Rao Kadam in 2011, is led by Dr. Rahul Shivaji Rao Kadam as chairman and managing director, and Mr. Uttam Patil as whole-time director. Based in Sangli, Maharashtra, it focuses on sugar production, co-generation and renewable energy, expanding to 5,000 metric ton sugar capacity. Congratulations to Udagiri Sugar and Power Limited. The next award is for Best Management in a Private Mill, and that goes to Triveni Engineering and Industries Limited. May I invite Ms. Neha Arora, Corporate Communications Specialist, and Akash, the Vice President, Strategy, to please come up and accept the award. Triveni Engineering and Industries Limited is a diversified conglomerate excelling in sugar, ethanol, power transmission, and water solutions. With 7 sugar mills and 6 cogen power plants, it's a leader in sugar and ethanol. Congratulations to Triveni Engineering and Industries Limited. The next award is for the best financial support to the sugar and allied industry, and that goes to the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank Limited. But I don't think we have anybody from the bank, right? Koi aaya nahi hai, but we will send the award to them. But anyway, unke liye taaliyan ho jaye. Come on, everybody. I'm sure we have dealt with them. The Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank Limited. Agla award hai for the most promising international trade house, and that goes to the Sugden India Private Limited. May I invite the Managing Director, Mr. Anup Kumar, to please come up and accept the award. They're a leading independent company in soft commodities trading, emphasizing sustainability and integrity. Trading globally, they offer diverse products including sugar, coffee, cocoa, ethanol, and ocean freight. With expertise in agriculture, logistics, financing, and risk management, Sugden India, operating for nearly 2 decades, prides itself on fair partnership and values Chini Mandi's support to the India's sugar industry. Congratulations. The next award is for the highest FRP paid to the farmers, and that goes to Shri Doodh Ganga Ved Ganga SSK Limited. May I invite the chairman, Shri Satish Ghorpade. आपणास विनंती आहे की वरती येऊन हा सन्मान स्वीकारावा. Under the visionary leadership of Mr. K.P. Patil, chairman of Bidri Cooperative Sugar Factory, the cooperative has thrived, earning prestigious accolades like the SIA Award 2024. With 40 years of service, including 19 as chairman, his commitment to transparency and member-centric practices has solidified Bidri's reputation in the sugar industry. Congratulations. अगला award है for the best technology in flex fuel private mill, and that goes to Shiragoppi Sugar Works Limited. May I invite Mr. Arun Farande, the production manager, to please come up and accept the award. Shiragoppi Sugar Works Limited, part of the DB Group, operates a comprehensive sugar complex in Kagwad village, Belgavi, with a 10,000 TCD sugar plant, 37 megawatt cogeneration plant, and 120 KLPD distillery. It prioritizes regional agriculture, community upliftment, and rural development in Belgaum, also known as the Sugar City. The next award is for Best Water Treatment Provider, and that goes to SBS Water and Infra Projects Private Limited. May I invite Mr. Rishikesh to please come up and accept the award. आए हैं नहीं आए is that you? आ जाइए Best Water Treatment Provider. Mr. Rishikesh Mandole, Director of SBS Water and Infra Projects Private Limited, accepting the award. They lead in sustainable water solutions, offering plug-and-play, high-quality and cost-effective water treatment. Agla award is for the most promising domestic sugar trader in Maharashtra. And guess wo kahan se hai? Sangli se. Sandeep Traders, Sangli. May I invite Mr. Sandeep Gidwari to please come up and accept the award. Established in 1997 by Mr. Bharat Gidwani, Sandeep Traders in Sangli is a prominent player in trading, specializing in dealing with various MNCs and focusing on the entire South India region. Congratulations. Agla award hai for the best financial support to the sugar trade, and that goes to Samunnati Financial Services. May I invite Mr. Arun Narang, Group Business Head, to come and accept the award. Samunnati, India's largest agri-enterprise, is dedicated to empowering smallholder farmers through its open agri network. Based in Chennai, it operates across 22 states, offering agri-commerce and agri-finance solutions. Congratulations, Samunnati Financial Services. अगला award है for the most promising domestic sugar trader in Gujarat, और ये award जाता है Samarpan Sugar Ahmedabad, Mr. Janish Patel, the director. तालियां नहीं बज रही है, everybody, come on, let's have a round of applause as we welcome Mr. Janish Patel. Samarpan Sugar, founded by Sri Jagdish Bhai in Ahmedabad in 1983, thrives under CA Janish Patel's leadership since 2004. Pioneering voicemail technology in sales, it boasts a 650 crore turnover annually, serving 2,000 plus customers across 100 cities. Congratulations, Samarpan Sugar. अगला अवार्ड है फॉर द हाईएस्ट वॉल्यूम इन डोमेस्टिक शुगर ट्रेड, और ये जाता है टू वन ऑफ आवर पार्टनर्स फॉर दिस इवेंट, रिका ग्लोबल इंपैक्ट्स लिमिटेड. मे आई इनवाइट मिस्टर ऋषि अग्रवाल, डायरेक्टर of Rika Global Impacts Limited, to please come up and accept the award. Is he there? Anybody from Rika? Not there? Okay, Rika से कोई नहीं है. आप Rika से? Oh, sorry. All right. Rika Global Impacts Limited, everybody. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye. They've achieved this remarkable growth in international trade, excelling in commodities like rice, sugar, wheat, and pulses. Known for managing large consignments and government tenders, it maintains trading ties across 6 continents and enjoys a stellar reputation. Rika Global Impacts Limited. Very well deserved award, the highest volume in domestic sugar trade. Congratulations. The next award is for the most promising retail chain in the sugar sector, and the award goes to Reliance Retail Private Limited. May I invite Mr. Anshul Sharma, head of the sugar desk, to please come up and accept the award. Reliance Retail, a subsidiary of Reliance Industries, dominates India's retail sector since 2006, boasting the highest revenue. With diverse offerings from foods to electronics, it operates over 18,000 stores in 7,000 towns, employing over 245,000 people. Congratulations, Reliance Retail. The next award is for the most promising bioenergy products trade house, and the award goes to Rajganga Biorefineries Private Limited. May I invite Mr. Prasad Khawate, Managing Director and CEO, to please come up and accept the award. The team coming up to take the award. They are a global agribusiness leader offering biofuel, biochemical, sugar and alcohol products. Committed to farmer and customer success, it provides comprehensive solutions, infrastructure and global market access. Buying, selling and transporting renewable products worldwide, it champions sustainability and contributes to low carbon emissions, enriching lives globally. Congratulations to Rajganga Biorefineries Private Limited. हमारा अगला award है for Best Consultant for Distillery, and that goes to Pioneer Chem Solutions. May I invite the director, Mr. Suhas Shinde, to please come up and accept the award for Pioneer Chem Solutions. All right, that's the team coming up from there. Pioneer Chem Solution, a leader in technical consultancy for sugar, distillery, ethanol, CBG, captive power and ZLD, boasts 19 plus years of expertise, notable for overseeing plants from 10 KLPD to 510 KLPD. It contributed significantly to India's largest single distillery installation. Congratulations to Pioneer Chem Solutions. Congratulations. दो और अवार्ड फिर हम ब्रेक लेंगे भाग्यश्री जी, दो और अवार्ड, then we'll take a break so you can sit for some time. The next award is for Best Hyundai Curry Company for Sugar Rake Management, and that goes to Om Shri Ganesh Transport. May I invite the CEO, Mr. Paresh Surana, to please come up and accept this award for Best Hyundai Curry Company for Sugar Rake Management. Om Shri Ganesh Transport, led by Mr. Paresh Surana, specializing in strategic loading points across Maharashtra, offering transportation services for sugar, fertilizers, cement and gypsum. They prioritize efficiency and reliability. Our next award is for the most promising OMC, and that goes to Nayara Energy Limited. May I invite the head of institutional business, Mr. Saurabh Mishra, to please come up and accept this award. Mr. Saurabh Mishra. There he is. Welcome. Congratulations And thank you for doing the honors. I will call you back after a break. But जितने भी अभी award winners ऊपर आए, सभी के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Everybody, come on. Let's have the loudest round of applause. सब हमारे ही लोग हैं. We all are learning from each other. We're growing together. नहीं, मुझे अभी भी पीछे वालों से आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Everybody, come on, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Let's have a round of applause. आपकी तालियां from our industry friends makes a lot of difference क्योंकि it's the best way of encouragement and motivation to our fellow industry colleagues. तो चलिए अब थोड़ा जैसे मैंने कहा, we have some fantastic entertainment for you all tonight. Our next performance, ladies and gentlemen, is very unique. The performer we have today blends a variety of techniques from psychology, body language, and magic to pluck thoughts and out of your mind, influence your choices, and mess a little bit with your sense of reality. For nearly 8 years, thousands of people across the country and also internationally have experienced his unique brand of entertainment. He recently appeared on the Kapil Sharma show, and we are very excited to have him with us today. Well, he asked me to offer an advice to all of you. If you don't want him to know it, don't think about it right now. If you don't want him to know it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for magician, mentalist, Jigar Solanki.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for the introduction, Chaitanya. He's doing a fantastic job. Can we hear it for him, please? Thank you. Hello, everyone. Hi, can you hear me at the back? Yes, my name is Jigar Solanki, and as you heard, I'm a mentalist. But before we move on with my act, I would like to congratulate each one of you in this room. Each one of you is doing a fantastic job. Can we hear it for everyone present here? And a special, yes, especially for the winners. Yes. So my name is Jigar Solanki, and I am a mentalist. How many people here have seen a mentalist before or heard of a mentalist? Raise your hands. Let me see. Few people. Nice. Hi, ma'am. How are you? Yes. So people often ask me, what is the difference between a magician and a mentalist? लोग मुझे पूछते हैं. एक आपको basic difference बताता हूँ. We have all seen magicians all our lives on television, big stages. मैं आपको एक staple trick बताता हूँ that almost every stage magician does, and I'm sure you must have seen it. A magician walks up on stage. There are big boxes lying down. A girl walks in. The girl lies down in the box. The magician takes a saw, saws the boxes, separates them, puts them together, makes a magical gesture, and the girl starts walking. We've seen this trick? Yes? Raise your hand if you've seen this. Yes, all, of course. So no matter how impossible this looks, no matter how amazing this looks, हमको पता है कि ये physically possible नहीं है. There is something going on with the boxes, या इसके पास एक से ज़्यादा assistants है, we all know that. On the other hand, a mentalist does stuff with your mind that is actually possible. For example, a mentalist tries to influence your choices and looks at your body language. आपकी body language को assess करने की कोशिश करता है. For example, sir in the front row with his arms crossed, legs crossed, clearly state by मुझसे तो दूर ही रहना. That's what. Yes, yes. You see, your body language can tell a lot about you. And also, like combining with various techniques, I create this illusion of reading minds. Okay, if hopefully everything works out. So let's start this. Let's do a quick activity. I want everyone to participate. Everyone, hands like this. Everyone at the front, at the back, I can see you. Yes, hands like this at the back as well. Okay, clap once, clap twice, clap one more time. You see, I can make you do this all day long when I'm on stage, right? No, just, okay. Perfect, hands like this. Thumbs pointing down, thumbs pointing down. Raise your right hand. Cross it over your left hand. And interlace your fingers like this. Your thumbs pointing down. Yes, thumbs pointing down, everyone. No, sir, your right hand goes over your left hand. Right hand goes, yeah, perfect. Now interlace your fingers. Yes, thumbs pointing down, perfect. And now if you followed me correctly, if you did not let me distract you or misdirect you, you all should be able to do. You see how easy it is to manipulate your mind once you know how it's done. It takes that microsecond. Well, this is just the beginning. Bear with me. Well, these guys, when actually they came to me, they said they wanted the best mentalist they could find. Well, I am not the best, but they could only find me, so you will have to bear with me for some time. Yes, well, being a mentalist बहुत interesting है because all of you present in this room use your mind to make money, right? I use your mind to make my money. It's the other way around. Yes. So मैं एक mentalist हूँ. I need to warm up. अगर मैं एक athlete होता, I will be stretching my muscles to warm up. If I was an actor, I would be going through my script, my dialogues to warm up. But being a mentalist, I need some minds to warm up. I need someone here, sir, in the gray jacket. Can you please stand up? Yes. आप. Can you please stand up? यहाँ पर आने की जरूरत नहीं. Please stand up, sir, wherever you are. Can we have a microphone for him, please? Hi, sir. What's your name? What is it? अशोक जी, perfect. अशोक जी, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि आपको इन्फ्लुएंस करना कितना आसान या मुश्किल है, आपको लगता है आपके चॉइसेस को इन्फ्लुएंस करना बहुत मुश्किल है या आसान है? What do you think? चलो नंबर 1 मान लेते बहुत इजी है, नंबर 10 मान लेते बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. आप अपने आप को कहां पर रेट करोगे? मिडल में 5 नंबर चलेगा. परफेक्ट, चलेगा. दैट्स एंड आई नीड समवन फ्रॉम हियर एज वेल. मैम, यू इन द यस जैकेट, कैन यू प्लीज स्टैंड अप? हाय मैम, व्हाट्स योर नेम? इनके लिए भी एक माइक मिल सकता है प्लीज? इन यस, आई कैन हियर यू. टेल मी व्हाट्स योर नेम मैम? खुशबू. एंड व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हाउ इजी और डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू इन्फ्लुएंस योर चॉइसेस, खुशबू? 6 और 7, perfect. So beginning with you, sir. अशोक जी के साथ स्टार्ट करेंगे. सर, आई हैव, मेरे पास एक पीस ऑफ पेपर है और एक पेन है. अशोक जी, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट कलर, आप क्या बोलोगे? व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट कलर? भगवा. व्हाट इज इट? भगवा. परफेक्ट. और अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं आपका फेवरेट फूड आइटम क्या है, आपको खाने में क्या पसंद है? बैंगन भरता. भगवा रंग, ऑरेंज, बैंगन का भरता. खुशबू, व्हाट अबाउट यू? इफ आई आस्क यू व्हाट इज योर कलर, व्हाट इज द कलर दैट यू लाइक?
Black.
You like black, of course you're wearing black. And what is your favorite movie, if I may ask?
DDLJ.
DDLJ. Okay. मुझे लगा आज आप मैंने प्यार किया बोलोगे, but you didn't. Yes. So okay, perfect. I think I'm going to write something down. Okay. I think this is going to be important. अशोक जी, मैंने यहाँ पर कुछ लिखा है, इसको हम मिस्ट्री रहने देंगे अभी के लिए. अशोक जी, इमेजिन कीजिए एक डाई है मेरे पास. डाई, हम सांप सीढ़ी खेलते हैं, लूडो खेलते हैं. ये डाई है. मान लीजिए आपका माइंड एक कप है, कप, ठीक है? और ये नॉर्मल डाई नहीं है. नॉर्मल डाई में 6 साइड्स होते हैं, इसमें 10 साइड्स है. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. अगर मैं डाई लेता हूँ, आपके माइंड में डालता हूँ, ऐसे 10 साइडेड डाई है, आप उसको शेक करते हो और आपके माइंड में आपको एक नंबर दिखाई देता है बिटवीन 1 and 10, a single digit number you see in your mind. Ashok ji, what number do you see in your mind right now? No. Do you want to change? No, final hai? Perfect. Man, ma'am, now with you. He chose 9.
7.
Same thing. Okay, you're ready. Wait. You can stick to your mind. You can stick to your number, I mean. But imagine you're doing this. Imagine वो die है. इस बार आप आपके माइंड में डाल रहे हो, आप शेक कर रहे हो. मान लीजिए आप, इमेजिन कीजिए आप कर रहे हो अभी, ठीक है? और आपको एक नंबर दिखाई देता है. At this moment. What number is it? It can be 7 or it can be some other number. What number is it? Tell me.
7.
Final choice. Ma'am, can you please walk up? यहाँ पर. Or can you pass on the mic to sir, please? यहाँ पर. With the arms crossed. Yes, can you pass on the mic? Sir, इन्होंने चुना 9, इन्होंने चुना 7. तो या तो वो 97 बन सकता है या 79 बन सकता है. ठीक है, दो ही ऑप्शन है, 79 या 97. You choose. Do you want 97 or 79? 97 फाइनल. यहाँ पर आ जाइए सर, क्विकली. आप 79 बोल सकते थे, ये भाई साहब कोई भी नंबर बोल सकते थे, मैम कोई भी नंबर बोल सकती थी, और आपने बोला 97. यहाँ पर मैंने एक नंबर लिखा था. माइक लीजिए, सबको बताइए मैंने कौन सा नंबर लिखा यहाँ पर.
97.
Exactly, ladies and gentlemen, number 97 for you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Please take your seat. Thank you, guys. Awesome. That was a good warm up. Yes. Yeah, thank you so much. So, next thing we are going to try something with a deck of cards. जब भी मैं एक deck of cards बाहर लाता हूँ, people often assume I'm going to do some card trick. मैं बोलूँगा कोई card select कर लो, मैं ढूंढूंगा, nothing like that. In fact, a deck of cards मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही interesting object है. Interesting इसीलिए, ma'am, you know a deck of cards is very much like a calendar. Some of you might know that, but some of you might not. Let me tell you, a deck of cards has 2 colors, red and black, representing day and night. 4 suits, clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds, that represent different seasons that occur throughout the year. There are 12 picture cards. Picture cards होते हैं Jack, Queen, King. 12 picture cards होते हैं 12 months in a year. 52 cards in a deck, 52 weeks in a year. और सबसे interesting fact है that if you add up all the cards, the 2s, 3s, 5s, 7s, everything, it adds up to 365. Isn't it I don't know if this is just a coincidence or something else, but I need Sir, you in the glasses, can you please join me on stage? Can we hear it for him? Yes, please give him a warm welcome. And someone from this side as well. Ma'am, you in the pink. Can you please stand up and join me on stage? Can we hear it for both of them? Hi. Hi, what's your name, sir? What is it? Shrey. Shrey, can you please join me on stage? And ma'am, please join me on stage as well. Hi, Shrey. How are you doing? You enjoying the evening so far? Please take. Hi, ma'am. What's your name? Sadhika. Sadhika, please make your way up. I'll take the mic from you, Sadhika. We don't need it. Hi, Sadhika. Do you play cards, Shrey? Rarely. And Sadhika, what about you? Play cards? Do you play cards, Sadhika? You don't play. You recognize cards, right? Clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds, different suits, and all different cards, right? You are the eyes of the audience, Shrey. Yes, all different cards. Yes. So what we'll do, I'll tell you what to do. I will go through the cards like this, Sadhika. And whenever you want, just say stop. Just scream stop. And make sure that I stop when you tell me to. Not one card before, not one card later, exactly. And remember the card that you stop me at, Sadhika. Perfect? I'll go through the cards like this. Right here, Sadhika, look at this card. Remember it? Look at this card. Did you see one? Remember this card, Sadhika. Don't think of anything else. Just think of this card and this card only. Focus on your card, Sadhika. Okay? And now in the meanwhile, focus on your card. Don't think of anything else. And now face the audience and enjoy this amazing attention that you're getting. Okay, Shrey, same thing with you. I'll go through the cards. Just stop anytime. Right here, Shrey, look at this card. Remember it? Okay? Did you see? Do you want to change or it's okay? It's okay? Okay, think of this card, Shrey. Think of your card. Think of the color. Think of your card. Think of your color. Okay, let's do this. If it is a red card, think of something very, very hot. If it is a black card, think of something very, very cold, just like fire and ice. If it's a red card, think of something very, very hot. If it's a black card, think of something very cold. Sadhika, place your hand here. Place your hand here, right, like this. Think whether it's red or black, hot or cold. Perfect. And you also, Shrey, place your hand here. Think whether it's red or black, hot or cold. I feel slightly cool over here. Yours is a black, yours is a red, right? Yes? Well, that is 50-50. That is 50-50. Now think of the suit. Okay, clubs, yours is black, so it is clubs or spades. Aapka hearts or diamonds, do your option aapke paas. Think whether it's hearts or diamonds. You think whether it's clubs or spades. Okay. Shrey is already smiling. Okay. And now you focus on the value. Just count the number of hearts or diamonds that you can see on your card. Okay. Agar wo picture card hai, just clearly visualize it in your mind. Okay, imagine, Sadhika, you are 10 kilometers away from me and you're just screaming this card at the top of your voice, okay? Imagine you're doing this. Yes. And same with you as well? Oh, yours is a clubs. Yes, clubs, that the one that looks like a flower. An even number. It's not a picture card, it's an even number. Right? The 4 of clubs. Yes? Well, normally people applaud at this point, but yeah, never. Just joking. Because the other day, yes, 2 days back, I was in Bangalore. I was performing for a small group, 30-40 log the, and no matter how good my show was, no matter how amazing it was, the only reaction I got was, okay, very good, beta, move on. But मैं यहाँ पर दिल्ली में हूँ, मैं यहाँ पर काफी बार perform कर चुका हूँ. I know how the energy here in Delhi is. If I get a card right, I want a similar reaction. Sadhika, you focus on your card. It's red, obviously hearts or diamonds. Yours is also an even number. Well, this is a great coincidence. Yours is also a 4. The 4 of hearts, Sadhika, yes? Yes, can we hear it for Sadhika? Can we hear it for Shrey? Thank you so much, Shrey. You can take a seat. Thank you so much, Sadhika. Please get back to your seat. Thank you so much. Whenever I do stuff like this, people often, the most common comment I get to hear is, oh, now you can go to the casino and make a lot of money. Yes, of course. But ये इतना आसान नहीं होगा. Imagine, sir, मैं casino में जाऊँ, किसी को बोलूँ, sir, hold my hand, look into my eyes, मुझे मुक्का मार के भगा दिया जाएगा. It won't work like that. So I had to come up with a technique, जहाँ पर I don't require anyone to hold my hand or do all this crazy stuff. So we'll do this with you, sir, in the glasses. Can you please stand up? खड़े हो जाइए. You don't have to come here. Please stand up. And sir, you in the gray jacket. Yes, can you please stand up? And someone from the back. Yes, sir. You in the black tie. Yes, sir. Can you please stand up? Hi, sir. What's your name? I'm sorry I can't walk up to you. What's your name? You can tell me. What is it? Praveen. You are Rishi. And sir, what's your name? Ujwal. Praveen, Rishi, and Ujwal. 3 people. मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्या करना है. मैं आपको cards toss करूंगा. You have to hold the cards like this, all 3 of you. Make sure the back is facing the ceiling. Back ऊपर की तरफ है. पीछे से you just open, look at one card and remember it. Easy. Starting with you, Praveen. Ready? Ready to catch? Perfect. Look at me. Make sure the back is. Yeah. Put the mic down. You don't need it. Yes. Look at one card. Close the deck quickly. Don't show it to anyone. Did you see one card? Don't tell me. Toss it over to Ujjwal. Sir, be ready to catch it. Perfect, sir. Look at me. Look, don't look. Yes, look at one card. Did you see one card? Close the deck. Pass it over to Rishi. Rishi, look at me. Don't look down. Look at me. Open at one place. Look at one card. Remember it. Close the deck. Close the deck. Pass it on. 3 different people. 52 different possibilities. Think of your card. Think of your card. And Rishi, think of your card. Think of the color. Think of the value. Think of everything as much as you can visualize. Starting with you, Praveen. Think of your card. Think of the value. Rishi, you, and Ujjwal, you. Rishi, it's 2 reds, 1 black, that is sure. It's 2 reds, 1 black. Rishi, you have a very nice smile, but you are very difficult to read. That's what I... Think of your card, Rishi. 2 reds, 1 black. Ujjwal is having a complete poker face. He's trying to hide a lot. Okay. Okay, Rishi, I'm not getting it. Rishi, place your hand here for a second. Think of your card. Okay, I think I have it. 3 cards. I am going to name 3 cards. मैं 3 cards का नाम लूँगा. I don't want you to react. Smile मत करना, ताली मत बजाना. Don't react at all. Just listen to what I say. The 3 cards that come to my mind are the 5 of diamonds. 5 of diamonds. The second card that comes to my mind is the ace, ikka. Chidi wala, clubs, ace of clubs. 5 of diamonds, ace of clubs, and the 10 of hearts. 5 of diamonds, ace of clubs, 10 of hearts. Praveen, if I named your card, अगर मैंने आपका card बोला है, please sit down. Ujjwal, if I named your card, please sit down. Rishi, if I named your card, please sit down. But that is 3 out of 3, ladies and gentlemen. Awesome. Nice. जब भी मैं ऐसा कुछ ट्राई करता हूँ, लोग समझते हैं कि मे बी मैंने लोगों से पहले बात की हुई है, मैंने कुछ अरेंज किया हुआ है, कुछ सेटअप किया हुआ है. तो आई वॉन्ट टू सिलेक्ट समवन एट रैंडम. ठीक है, मैं आई वॉन्ट अ रैंडम ऑडियंस जनरेटर. मुझे चाहिए कि कोई ऐसा पर्सन मुझे मदद करे जिसके साथ. सर, कैन यू प्लीज स्टैंड अप? प्लीज स्टैंड अप. दिस इज अ पेपर बॉल. अब हम क्या करेंगे? वी आर गोइंग टू टॉस दिस पेपर बॉल इन द ऑडियंस 3-4 टाइम्स और रैंडमली हम किसी को सिलेक्ट करने वाले. यस, जस्ट टॉस इट ओवर योर हेड क्विकली. समवन प्लीज कैच इट, इट वोंट हर्ट. ओह सर, यू वांट टू जॉइन मी ऑलरेडी? ठीक है, ओके, टॉस इट बैक, प्लीज कैच इट समबडी. और हमको 2-3 बार इसको टॉस करेंगे. समवन प्लीज कैच इट, पिक अप द पेपर बॉल एंड टॉस इट टू समवन एट रैंडम. टॉस इट समवेयर, प्लीज कैच इट. वेयर इज इट? वेयर इज इट? एंड सर, टॉस इट couple of more times. Where is it? Okay, and 2 more times quickly. Just toss it to this side of the audience as well. Make it random. And one last time. Praveen, just toss it behind the anywhere you want. Someone please catch it, it won't hurt. Sir, can you please join me? Aye, sir. Sir, please join me on stage. Yes, get the ball as well. Get the paper ball as well. Please join me. Can we hear it for him, please? Please welcome him. Quickly. Hi, what's your name? Rohit, please join me. I put the ball in your pocket, it's okay. Rohit, यहाँ पर आइए. I will give you a mic, Rohit. हाँ? टेंशन में आ गए? क्या कहा आपने? मैं सुना नहीं. अरे रोहित, टेंशन लेने की कोई बात नहीं है. मैं यहाँ पर आपका मजाक नहीं उड़ाऊंगा, इंसल्ट नहीं करूंगा, कुछ नहीं करूंगा. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन. रोहित, प्लीज स्टैंड हियर. रोहित, हैंड्स बाय योर साइड. रोहित, टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन एंड लेट इट आउट. वन मोर डीप ब्रेथ इन, रोहित, एंड लेट इट आउट. अच्छा रोहित, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, आप कितने इमेजिनेटिव हो? बहुत ज्यादा सोचते हो? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? यू आर वेरी इमेजिनेटिव, रोहित. इज इट टर्न्ड ऑन? Hello, say hello. Is it working? Yes, perfect.
Now it's working.
What do you think, Rohit? Are you very imaginative?
Yeah, I'm a creative one.
Okay, perfect. That's awesome. That's what we need. Rohit, stand like this. And hands by your side, Rohit. Take a deep breath in. One more time and let it out or you'll suffocate. Okay, Rohit, look at the back of the wall. Look at the wall somewhere. Okay? Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Okay? Choose a point somewhere, anywhere at the back. Okay? Keep focusing on that point. Okay? Rohit, imagine right here in my hand you see a ball of light. Okay, Rohit? Imagine you are seeing it right here. और ये ball of light यहाँ पर float कर रहा है. ठीक है? और जैसे मैं snap करता हूँ ये ball of light आपकी तरफ आता है. And the moment it touches your head, you just close your eyes and relax. Completely relax, Rohit. Don't worry. Okay? मान लीजिए आपके माइंड में आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि एक दरवाजा है, एक डोर है. ठीक है, रोहित? यू ओपन द डोर. एक रूम है, आप रूम के अंदर जाते हो, एक टेबल दिखाई देता है आपको. ऑन दैट टेबल एक ग्लोब है. रोहित, एक ग्लोब जो हम स्कूल में देखते थे, लेबोरेटरी में ग्लोब पड़ा होता था, ब्लू वाला. ठीक है, जहां पर अलग अलग कंट्रीज बनी होती थी. रोहित, रोहित मान लीजिए यू स्पिन दिस ग्लोब और ये ग्लोब घूम रहा है, घूम रहा है, घूम रहा है और फाइनली ये ग्लोब रुक जाता है. परफेक्ट. और जब ये ग्लोब रुकता है तो आपको एक जगह दिखाई देती है, एक कंट्री दिखाई देती है, एक सिटी, कुछ भी हो सकता है. रोहित, ये आपके इमेजिनेशन के ऊपर है. आपको एक जगह दिखाई देती है. करेक्ट? ये कोई ऐसी जगह है जहां पर आप आज से पहले कभी नहीं गए हो, पर हो सकता है कि आप जाना चाहते हो. एक ऐसी जगह है. ओके रोहित? परफेक्ट. अब मान लीजिए कि आप उस ग्लोब को उस जगह पर टच करते हो और आप मैजिकली उस जगह पर टेलीपोर्ट हो जाते हो, आप मैजिकली पहुंच जाते हो उस जगह पर. रोहित, ओके? परफेक्ट. रोहित, ओपन योर आइज. अब माइक में बता दीजिए आप कहां पर हो इस समय पर. माइक में सबको बता दीजिए.
Actually, I was been thinking for Chicago.
Where? शिकागो. परफेक्ट. शिकागो आप गए नहीं हो, आप जाना चाहते हो शिकागो.
Yeah,
परफेक्ट.
of course.
मान लीजिए आप शिकागो में हो. मान लीजिए यू आर एक्सप्लोरिंग दिस प्लेस. आप घूम रहे हो शिकागो में, यू सी द स्ट्रीट्स, आप घूम रहे हो एंड यू गेट वेरी हंग्री. ठीक है? आपको वहां पर एक रेस्टोरेंट दिखाई देता है साइड में कहीं पर. आप जाते हो उस रेस्टोरेंट में, आप बैठ जाते हो और टेबल पर, रोहित मान लीजिए आपको यहाँ पर मेरे हाथ में, मान लीजिए आपको, आप मेन्यू उठाते हो, आपको मेन्यू दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पर. ठीक है? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस रेस्टोरेंट? ये कुछ भी रेस्टोरेंट हो सकती है आपके, आप मन में बना सकते हो. सबको बताइए व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट. इटालियन हो सकती है, इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट हो सकती है. माइक में उसका नाम बताइए. यहाँ पर मान लीजिए मेन्यू है और इस मेन्यू में आपको उसका नाम दिखाई दे रहा है. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट, रोहित?
It's Ice and Spice.
आइस एंड स्पाइस. परफेक्ट. इमेजिन कीजिए यू ओपन द मेन्यू, यू फ्लिप द पेजेस. ठीक है? और रोहित, यू सी 2-3 फूड आइटम्स. जस्ट रिमेंबर इट. डोंट से एनीथिंग, जस्ट रिमेंबर 2-3 फूड आइटम्स. यू क्लोज द मेन्यू एंड यू पुट इट बैक ऑन द टेबल. रोहित, जस्ट ये 2-3 फूड आइटम्स के बारे में सोचते रहिए. कुछ बोलिएगा नहीं, सिर्फ सोचते रहिए. मिक्स दीज फूड आइटम्स इन योर माइंड. रोहित, डोंट से एनीथिंग, जस्ट कीप ऑन मिक्सिंग दीज फूड आइटम्स इन योर माइंड. एंड फाइनली यू जस्ट चूज वन. डोंट टेल मी. अपने माइंड में सिर्फ एक फूड आइटम को चूज कर लीजिए. रोहित, डोंट टेल मी. आपने एक फूड आइटम चूज कर लिया, 2-3 फूड आइटम्स को मिक्स किया आपने, फाइनली एक चूज की. करेक्ट? रोहित, माइक में सबको बताइए आपने कौन सी फूड आइटम को चुना है.
It was noodles.
नूडल्स. फाइनली नूडल्स फाइनल चॉइस है आपका. रोहित, यहाँ पर आइए मेरे साथ. आपके आने से पहले आपको दिख रहा है वहां पर एक एनवेलोप पड़ा हुआ है. मेरे साथ आइए. मेक श्योर में कोई हाथ की सफाई नहीं है, कुछ स्विच नहीं कर रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. रोहित, इस एनवेलोप को मैं खोलता हूँ. इस एनवेलोप में एक पीस ऑफ पेपर है सिर्फ. ठीक है? इसको ले लीजिए और कुछ नहीं है. कम हियर रोहित. और कोई एनवेलोप नहीं है, सिर्फ एक पीस ऑफ पेपर था. कम हियर. और आपके रोहित, आपके यहाँ से आने से पहले मैंने इसमें एक मैसेज लिखा है खास आपके लिए. मैं चाहता हूँ आप पढ़े. आपने चुना नूडल्स, राइट? रोहित, यहाँ टॉप से पढ़ना. डियर रोहित, रीड फ्रॉम द टॉप. यहाँ से पढ़ना. पढ़िए, माइक में पढ़िए, जोर से पढ़िए, जोर से पढ़िए ताकि सबको पता चले. रीड हियर फ्रॉम द टॉप. यस.
Dear Rohit, I know that you will choose noodles.
Exactly, ladies and gentlemen. That is for Rohit. Can we hear it for Rohit? Thank you, Rohit. Thank you so much.
That was
Thank you so much, Rohit. You can take your seat. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was my time for now, and I will see you after a short break. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.